Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning classes with me. Students, today we are going to learn about fifth part of chapter number 5, My Sense Organ, for class 3rd, subject EVS. In our previous lectures, we have discussed different sense organs like eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. And in our today's lecture, we are going to learn about skin. And in my yesterday lecture, I told one question that was, which organs work as a partner? So the right answer of that question is, our nose and tongue work as a partner. So let us start today's lecture. Today's lecture is skin. This is the fifth sense organ, skin. Our whole body is covered with skin. Our body is completely covered by skin. बेटा जो हमारी बॉडी है ये पूरी तरह से कवर किससे है? स्किन से, चमड़ी से. Our skin helps us touch and feel. And skin help करती है टच करने में और फील करने में. We can feel different types of touch. Is it good touch or is it bad touch? That is feel through our skin. We can feel when anybody touch our skin, and our nerves send message to our brain, and then brain tell us which kind of touch it is. Is it good touch or is it bad touch? Or students, you should always aware of good touch and bad touch. And if you feel someone touch you and you feel bad, so you just stay away from those people who touch you, and when they touch you, you feel bad, so you just stay away. The bad touch is not good for you. So you should also be aware, and every time often ask to your parents, talk about your parents about different touch, and if whenever you feel bad touch, immediately tell your parents. It sends a message to the brain which tell us if something is hot, cold, hard or soft. When we touch our body, when we touch our skin, then our nerves send message to our brain, and then brain tell us about that touch. If we whatever the touch is, it is hot. When we touch a hot thing, then our brain tell us it is hot, cold, hard or soft. So the task of skin is to feel different types of touch, and we feel the different touch with the help of our brain. So skin is also very important sense organ which help us touch and feel. Now this chapter is over. These are the last concluding lines. Our sense of sight, taste, hearing, smell and touch work as a team every day. बेटा जितनी भी हमारी senses हैं, sight means eyes, taste, tongue, hearing, ears, smell, nose, touch, skin, they all work as a team every day. And can you imagine what would happen if one of them become inactive? अगर इनमें से कोई भी सेंस ऑर्गन जो है वो काम करना बंद कर दे, इनएक्टिव हो जाए, तो कैन यू इमेजिन व्हाट विल हैपन? If it's so, then we are unable to see this beautiful world, we are unable to detect smells, we are unable to hear different sounds, and we are unable to taste delicious food, and even we are unable to feel different types of touch. So our sense organs are very important. You should take care of these sense organs. Whenever any sense organ have any kind of problem, just ask to the doctor. Let us be glad they are working for us to help us see, smell, hear, touch and taste. हमें ये खुश होना चाहिए कि हमारे सभी सेंस ऑर्गन्स वर्क करते हैं. The people who can't see this beautiful world, that is their life is very difficult, their life is very hard. And people who can't hear, their life is also very difficult. So we should be glad and we should also be thankful to God our all senses work properly. So students, in this chapter we have learned about 5 sense organs: ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin, which work as and help us to see, smell, hear, touch and taste. And they also tell us what's happening around us. And sense organ is part of body that take information from the surrounding. And this information is sent by the nerve fibers to the brain. Then brain tell us and react accordingly and tell us how to behave in different situations. So this is all about my sense organ. This chapter is very interesting. You should learn this chapter very carefully, and for this chapter I make 5 videos to make you understand the chapter, to make you understand different sense organs individually. So hope so you enjoy the topic, you enjoy the chapter, and also keep in mind we should always take care of our all sense organs. Thanks and have a nice day.